Hello and welcome to the student page. I'm your instructor, Nikia. As you scroll below, I want you to notice a few things. New lives are listed in links so that you can come back to this page and join them at the scheduled time. You're also able to come back to it and watch the lives if you were unable to attend or participate. As you continue to scroll, you might notice that the master courses are in order by skill from beginner to advanced, as well as according to technique or the product that is being created. You can watch them in whatever order that you want. All you have to do is just press the Watch Now button and it will take you to that specific master course with all of the pre-recorded live videos and other instructional content. Paid students do receive my personal phone number for personal support. Otherwise, if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me at 248-938-9418. This is also my WhatsApp number as well. Otherwise, you can just click on the chat button and you would be able to contact me or my assistant. So now that you know everything you need to know about the student page, make sure you slide or look at the next video for the most recent updates and reminders, and I will see you in class. Bye now.